So ladies and gentlemen, like I said, a really cool day out, and we've got this beauty over here. I mean, guys, I don't know what more to say, but oh my word, let's just take this in and appreciate it. Just to walk you guys around a little bit, obviously we got carbon absolutely everywhere. We got the yellow pinstriping down the side there. We've obviously got the Novitec spoiler at the back, really nice. Then step on the inside, I'm just gonna hop in just to show you guys. Yeah guys, it's like this. I mean, guys, I'm actually lost for words, as you guys can hear. I mean, I'm stuttering. It's something so special. And I mean, just to show you guys the spec, how beautiful that is. I mean, even down the sides here, you got these stunning yellow pinstriping along the paddle shifters. It's absolutely beautiful. I mean, paired with that, you just got the yellow stitching everywhere, and obviously Ferrari badges in yellow. I mean, just everything goes so well together in this car. To show you guys the back, you obviously got a little bit of storage space down there, and then yeah, you got some straps at the back here if you want to strap anything down, but really cool. And I'll show you guys here, stunning key, absolutely beautiful. So in love with this car. I mean, guys, come on man, it just looks absolutely beautiful. So guys, just to show you over here, this is what it's like in the engine bay of an A12 Superfast. I mean, really crazy. So cool to see this. It's not something you're going to see every day as well. And yeah, I mean, standing next to this, you actually don't even realize how big it is, but it's quite a long car, if I can put it that way. And yeah, I mean, the engine, as you guys can see, the engine bay is quite big as well, but V12, I mean, come on, nothing better than that. So yeah guys, I mean, such a stunning car and something really special. I want to say a massive thank you to the owner for obviously just coming out today and letting us enjoy this beautiful car, and obviously just giving us the chance to experience a V12 for the first time. So really cool. Yeah, so we're going to shoot some drone footage now, just to give you guys something nice. tunnel's gonna be nice. The tunnel's gonna be nice. crazy, man. That's crazy.